Mastering enthusiasm and interest. The key to impressive English conversations. Hello, learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on English language learning. Today, we're focusing on responding to informal greetings with first names. Specifically, we're going to dive deep into showing enthusiasm and interest in the conversation. Let's boost our English communication skills by making our conversations more lively and engaging. We've previously learned that informal greetings often involve the use of first names. For example, you may hear, "Hey, John," or "Hello, Sarah." But how should we respond to these greetings? The key is to respond with equal informality and add a dash of enthusiasm and interest. This not only shows respect, but also keeps the conversation engaging. Let's learn how. When you respond to a greeting, you want to show that you're happy to be in the conversation. Using an enthusiastic tone can make the person feel welcomed. You could say, "Hey, Jane. Great to see you," or "Hello, Mark. What a surprise." Notice how the energy in these responses can create a positive atmosphere right from the start. Next, you want to show interest in the person or in the conversation. You can do this by using phrases that ask about their well-being or show curiosity. For instance, you could say, "How's everything going, Emily?" or "What's new, Brian?" These questions indicate that you are interested in what the other person has to say. Lastly, pay attention to their responses and react accordingly. If they share something positive, express happiness for them. If they share something negative, express sympathy. You might say, "That's fantastic, Alice," or "I'm sorry to hear that, Dave." Your reactions show that you're actively engaged in the conversation. And that's it for today, folks. Remember, the key to showing enthusiasm and interest in your conversations is to respond with energy, ask questions, and react to the other person's answers. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Keep practicing, and you'll soon see how your English conversations become more engaging and enjoyable. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, enthusiasm and interest make every conversation better.